Yes, we shall send the link in the group and tell everyone to join. Yeah, I got disconnected. Network was suddenly got struck, beta. Network was struck so badly. So only I got disconnected. Shall we start? Shall we go for the next question? Okay. Now start. Now look here. Next question. Next factorization question. So I was discussing this question. One more time I will discuss this one. So now look here. When such questions are given to you, how you are going to handle this question? Like 9x x minus 2y whole square minus 4x minus 2y minus 13 is there. Then one small work you have to do, that is x minus 2y equal to a you can write, and once you have written x minus 2y will be equal to a, then x minus 2y equal to a, then 9a square, only what you have done, you just written 9a square minus 4a minus 13 and then just write a taken out, then 9a minus 13 plus 1 you have taken out. So now after that you have to just substitute. After that you have to just substitute and you will be getting the answer. After that you have to just substitute x minus 2y plus 1. So it is going to come as 9x minus 18y minus 13 will be equal to 0. 9x minus 18y minus 13 will be equal to 0. So these are exactly the way to solve this question. So now we are going to go for another question. Another question is, now go for this question. Let's see how you are going to solve this question. If both x minus 2, very good. Yes, Vishal, I know you got the answer. Now x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are factors of px square plus 5x plus r. Show that P will be equal to R. So when this type of questions will be coming, then what you are going to do? So when they are factors, then you have to prove that P equal to R. So now for these type of questions, what attempts you are exactly going to give? What attempts you are going to give? This is really typical type of questions. These are really typical type of questions. I am just moving. Try this question out. You say class is still not dead. Class is going to, I am here. Live session again started. Inform them that auntie is boiling. Join as fast as possible. Here it is 5 only. Yes, this is a very typical type of question. This is a real typical type of question. So when this type of questions will be coming, it will really be problematic. So question is what exactly, beta? Question what they are asking is, they are saying that if both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are factors of this one, so 100% a factor is exactly going to satisfy the equation and make the equation equal to 0. Okay, so this is your first priority. So what we are going to do here is, first work is we will say that since x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are factors of px square plus 5x plus r, so they will satisfy the polynomial and will make it equal to 0. So I just wrote in the statement, I have sent in the group, Saran. One time please kindly go through, because I don't remember the timings right now. So just go through the timing, beta. I think I've sent already. Check one more time. I'll be just explaining it. I'll go and I'll final inform you all, because you have holiday today, na. So I'll be just informing you quickly after this session will be over. I will inform. Fine. Because I don't know 9th timing also. So 9th also offline today. You're also offline today. 12th also offline today. So 3 offline classes I'm having. Fine. So now look here, everyone. So they will satisfy the polynomial and will make it equal to 0. So now polynomial we are going to write f of x will be equal to px square plus 5x plus r we are writing. Okay. Okay, Saran. Then afternoon, after 3 I am going to, because till what time you have school? Okay, after 2:40 only I am going to keep. After 2:40 only I am going to keep. It will be better, okay? After 2:40 I am going to keep. 3:30 I think it will be okay. You will come from school, take lunch and then you will come. Your batch I am going to take 3:30 near about, or 4 o'clock. And first batch I am going to teach class 9th. Now look here. Now f of x, now we are going to substitute this one. So first we are going to put x equal to 2. So when you are putting x equal to 2, it is coming as, but this will become equal to 0. So 2 square into p plus 5 into 2 plus r equal to 0. So 2 2 is a 4p plus 10 plus r equal to 0. 4p plus 10 plus r equal to 0. Fine. Now you have to put f of 1 by 2. When you will substitute this one, it will become 1 by 2 whole square into p plus 5 by 2 plus r, and this will become equal to 0. So now it is going to come as p by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus r equal to 0. If you will take LCM, it will become p plus 10 plus 4r equal to 0. This will become equation 2. So now one time you are getting 4p plus 10 plus r, and next time you are getting p plus 10 plus 4r. So these are your two equations. Now these are your two equations. So once you got these two equations, next what you have to do? One small work you have to do. Multiply this one with 4 and subtract from equation 1. So we are going to write multiplying equation 2 by 4 and subtracting from equation 1. So it will become 4p plus 16r plus 40 equal to 0. Here it will become 4p plus r plus 10 equal to 0. Minus 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 cancel. 16 minus r will become 15r plus 30 equal to 0. So 15 r equal to minus 30. So r will be coming as minus 30 by 15. So r is coming as minus 2. Once you got r as minus 2, now substitute r value. Substituting r equal to minus 2 in equation 1. So once you substitute r equal to minus 2, let's see what p you are getting. 4p plus 10 minus 2 equal to 0. So 4p plus 8 equal to 0. So now it is coming as 4p equal to minus 8. So p is coming as minus 2. So one thing we have seen, p is also coming as minus 2, r is also coming as minus 2. So since p and r both value are same, since p and r both value of same, here p and r both values are coming as same here. So that means we have understood one thing, that is p will be equal to r. P will be equal to r. I hope you might have understood this one. So p will be equal to r. P will be equal to r. I hope you have understood. Yes, you have to prove here p equal to r. So here p is also coming as minus 2, r is also coming as minus 2. So p will be equal to r will be equal to minus 2. P will be equal to r will be equal to minus 2. It's proved. P is exactly equal to r is exactly auntie. Okay, can you explain again, auntie? Yes, I am going to explain this part one more time, beta. So what is the question given to you? Question they are asking that ki if both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are factors of this one, then you have to show that p equal to 1. Exactly, question is very simple. So now first work what you have to do here, beta, just see, you know that factor satisfies a solution. What is the work of a factor? The factor satisfies a solution. So you have to take the factor equal to 0. You have to take the factor equal to 0. You have to take the factor equal to 0. You have to take the factor equal to 0. So x minus 2 equal to 0 you will take. So x will come as 2. X minus 1 by 2, if you will make this one equal to 0, if you will make this one equal to 0, then you will be getting x equal to 1 by 2. So you got x equal to 1 by 2 and you got x equal to 2. So you exactly got two factors. So now if they are factor, then they are 100% going to satisfy the solution. So they will make the solution equal to 0. That's why I wrote the statement that the factor of this, since these are the factors of this equation, this polynomial, so they will satisfy the polynomial. That means these are will make it equal to 0 and make the polynomial equal to 0. A factor satisfies the polynomial. Okay, you have sent the method now. So now the factor always satisfies the solution and it will make the solution equal to 0. So this is the important point. So here what we have done, we have written f of x will be equal to 0 when this will be satisfying. So now here f of x part, so here I just wrote extra 0, but that part at the time of explaining I think I might have written. But what you have to do here is you have to just write here that okay, f of 2 will become equal to 0, f of 1 by 2 will become equal to 0, f of 2 will become equal to 0 and f of 1 by 2 will become equal to 0. So one time we have substituted f of 2, once we substituted we got an equation, and when we substituted f of 1 by 2 we got an equation. So now these two equations we got, and then we solved it, and after solving it we got r equal to minus 2. Okay, so what one work Kanishka I have done, I multiplied, because here 4 p is there, r is there, and here p plus 10 plus 4r is there. So I need to subtract both of them. So since I need to subtract both of them, see, since I need to subtract both of them, there are two ways of solving. You can add both of them and then you can find p equal to r, or you can multiply equation 2 with 4 the way I have done, and exactly once it came, then I subtracted both of this. After multiplying I subtracted and I got r equal to minus 2 and then p equal to minus 2. And also you can do one more work, you can add equation 1 and equation 2. When you will add these two equations, you will be getting one more method, or adding equation p plus 4p will become 5p plus 20 plus 5r equal to 0. Okay, so now here p plus r is exactly coming. Okay. If we will subtract also, we will be getting it. So let's see, subtract this one. 4p plus 10 plus r equal to 0. And then here p plus 10 plus 4r equal to 0. Now subtract it. Once you will subtract, this part will become 0. Here 4p minus p will become 3p, and here it will become minus 3r equal to 0. So you can write 3p equal to 3r, cancel, p is also equal to r. So without multiplication also you can do like this. Only what you need to do is ओके बेटा, ओके। सबका एनुअल एग्ज़ाम है प्रिंस, मैं बिल्कुल पागल हो गई हूँ अभी। ठीक है, कल मेरा छुट्टी है, कल मैं करती हूँ। ठीक है, कल छुट्टी है, कल दोपहर में स्टार्ट करती हूँ सॉल्व करने। चैप्टर्स क्या क्या है एडवांस का? चैप्टर्स एक ट्रिग्नोमेट्री है। आज ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का एक फुल शॉर्ट रिवीजन करने वाली हूँ सारा फॉर्मूलाज के साथ शाम को। सो उसमें सेशन में रहना, उनको बोला रहने को। सो p will be equal to r equal to -2. So like this we can solve. Shall we go for next question? Okay, trigonometry and coordinate geometry. Then I will make it. I'll make the most important points and formulas. So today evening you tell them to be with me for trigonometry. Okay, you also be there. Time 11th class trigonometry. It will be exactly covering 10th also. Timing evening only. Evening I think I'll start with 9 to 10:30. Today's session I'm going to keep 1.5 hour trigonometry session. Special trigonometry session. Now look here, go for this question beta. Everyone start solving. 3x plus y whole square minus 8x plus y plus 5. Come on Keshav, start solving the question beta. Go for it. Very good Keshav. 3x plus 3y minus 5x plus y minus 5. Okay, now this type of questions when it will be coming, it will be very difficult if you don't know the way to come out. So let x plus y, I told you na, let x plus y will be equal to a. Take it equal to a. The moment you are going to take it equal to a, so now this is going to become 3a square minus 8a plus 5. So now you need to bring minus 8. So here you see here 3a square minus 5a minus 3a plus 5. So take a common, it will become 3a minus 5 minus 1, 3a minus 5, 3a minus 5. Once we have written last one, x plus 1 y, x plus y minus 1. Okay, let's check this one out beta. Let's check. So now here x plus y minus 1, here it is going to be 3, x plus y minus 5. So it is going to be 3x plus 3y minus 1. Absolutely answer is coming like this. X plus y minus 1, 3x plus y minus 5. So polynomial, let's see some more typical stupid idiotic questions. Just joking. Now look here. In case if root question will come, then are we going to stop ourselves? Root question like x square plus 6 root 2x plus 10 is there. Now if this type of questions will be coming, then what we are going to do? Are we going to sit and solve the questions or leave the question? They are wanting here 6 root 2 in the middle part. You can solve. Super Keshav. Try this one out. Try this one out. Try this one out. Try to solve this question. X plus 5 root 2, x minus 2. What about others? See, again and again I am telling you the simple technique of solving such questions. The technique is what I told you now. 10 is there, here 1 is there. So definitely 10 is my jackpot part. So here 1 is there. Nothing written means 1. So now we are going to take this 10 and we are going to take this 1. So how to write 10? 10 will be written as 2 5s are 10. But here if you will see very okay, no problem. I'll be checking that one out. So now look here, root under 10 is written. So once you are writing, 10 is written, but here in the question, one thing you are seeing, 2 is under root. So you know one very important thing, that is 2 can be written as root 2 and root 2. This is a very important point. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Why I am saying that 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2? Because simple part, that is when root 2 will multiply, it will give you 2. Root 2 will multiply, it will give you 2. So the same thing we are going to do, but here we have to bring 6 root 2. So one time 5 root 2 and one time only root 2. So here it will become x square plus 5 root 2x plus root 2x plus 10. So now here take x common, it will become x plus 5 root 2. Then here only one problem will be coming, that is here root 2x plus 10 is there. Then again we have to split this into the form of root only. So it will become root 2x plus 2 into root 2 into root 2 into 5. So this part is coming. So now here coming as x plus 5 root 2 plus root 2 take common. So just what did I did? 10 was my priority because 10 was only creating problem for me. So since 10 was creating problem for me, so what I did? I just made the factor of 10. So when I take the factor of 10, I got 10 as 2 and 5. Now I have to bring root format. So 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So that is what it is written as, root 2 into root 2. So now it is coming as x plus 5 root 2. So that means overall answer is coming as x plus root 2 x plus 5 root 2. I hope you might have understood how to solve this question. X plus root 2 x plus 5 root 2. Yes, absolutely. So you have to exactly attempt the question like this. You have to attempt the question like this. I hope you might have understood how to solve these type of questions. Shall we solve some other questions? Now one very typical question I am going to give. I think school will not give to this level question. If they will give, means question level will be very difficult. Okay. Now question is, this year, you know what? I taught you with 2 different books and now I am teaching you with the 3rd book. So I just got 2 different edition book. Now it is the 3rd book with which you are solving. These many polynomial questions or these many questions you have not solved. Tell me about class 8th, how many questions you have solved? This year you have solved many questions now in maths? Yes or no? No. Don't worry, I am standing here. Today I am for you. Monday exam is there. Forget about me. Do your work. Start solving. Don't worry about me. You just start solving. Not at all worry about me, beta. Good. Very good, Kanishka. Start solving. Try this question out. I'll tell you one simplest way to go with this question, but when this question will be coming, definitely like this question, why I'm discussing all weird question means because easy questions I know you will be able to take out, but some typical questions when they will ask, I want you to come out from that questions also need. So that's why I'm selecting some very typical questions which can come there. The chances of coming for that questions we don't know, but definitely try. We should try. We must try. Solve it. Okay, please solve. Now look here, beta. First thing is that you see this one is same and this one is also same. So since these two are exactly same, so what we are going to do, we are going to write it as x square minus 4x. This one we will keep in bracket x square minus 4x minus 1 minus 20. So one time x square minus 4x will multiply with this one. So it will become x square minus 4x whole square minus x square minus 4x minus 20. So now this is coming. Now look here, only one step was needed. Now after that, just see here, same there na, bracket minus 1. So this and this will become square and this will become x square minus 4x minus 20. Now once you have done like this, now you will be able to solve it in no time, because now this is nothing but take it equal to y. So now let Shrutika is there, x square minus 4x, take it equal to y. So this one will become y square minus y minus 20. Okay. So y square minus y minus 20 is coming. So now find the factor of 20. Factor of 20 is coming as 2, 10, 2, 5. So that means 5 and 4 is coming. So it is going to come as y square minus 5y plus 4y minus 20. So it is going to come as y minus 5 plus 4, y minus 5. So it will become what? Y plus 4 and y minus 5. So now what is y for you? Y is exactly x square minus 4x. So x square minus 4x plus 4, and next is x square minus 4x minus 5. So now most important thing is, this is not the answer. This is not the answer. This is not the answer. This is not at all the answer. So now what you have to do? Now this will exactly be written as, this part will be written as x minus, this part is coming as x square minus 2 into 2x plus 2 whole square, one part, and this is coming as x square, 5 factor will be minus 5x plus 4x minus 5x plus x minus 5. Okay, so now this will become x minus 2 whole square, and this one factor will become, this part will become x minus 5 plus 1 x minus 5 equal to 0. So it is coming as x minus 2 whole square, x minus 5, x plus 1. Okay, but you both have given incomplete answer. You have to complete the answer. This question is not so easy what you have expected. The question like this will be exactly playing with the roller coaster like this. You itself see how they have exactly solved the question. How they have exactly solved the question. Check this one out. They know, me, I solved the question. I used another method. I just made it as short as possible. So I hope you might have understood how to solve this question. Yes, that's what. When it will be getting factorized, again you have to factorize it. So when I saw the question, I saw that okay, it can be factorized again. So just once I saw the formula, yes, these type of questions are difficult, and so only I just told you to go for one more time and go for the practice session, solve it again. Yeah, it is not difficult actually. Like these questions need a bit of means more of you. So now if this type of questions next time will be given to you, I think you will be able to handle it nicely. So now like 3x square minus 2x. More like this question I will not give. 1 or 2 question like this means okay. Now look here, last like this type of questions, 8x plus 1 whole square minus 2 x plus 1 y minus 2 minus 15y minus 2 whole square. So now when you how to handle this type of questions. Now go for this type of questions. Y minus 2 is there, okay. We started our class at 6:20 near about, and right now it is going to be 7:40 and still some of the student has not joined. I'll meet them in offline class. Wait, if they will come. %100% beating will be there. Shall I solve this question? Kanishka, is it coming difficult? Now look here beta, again shortcut method I told you always na, ki let x plus 1 equal to and y minus 2 equal to p and q. If you will take like that, okay, go for it. Solve it. I gave you 1 minute. Come on. Okay, Vishal, answer is coming as 8x plus 15y minus 24 into 2. Wait, Vishal, just substitute this one. It will become 8p square minus 2pq minus 15q square. Okay, so now when this question is coming, 8 and 15 factor first you find. 8 is coming as 2, 2, 2, 15 is coming as 3 and 5. Now arrange this in such a way so that you will get minus 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 coming, 5 2s are 10. So 8p square minus 12pq plus 10pq minus 15q square. Understood? So like this method you have to exactly go for. So now take out 4 common, 4p common. The moment you will take out 4p common, this will become 2p minus 3q. Now here you take out 5q common. It will become 2p minus 3q. So it is going to come as 4p plus 5q and 2p minus 3q. So once you got this one, now you have to substitute x plus 1, y minus 2, x plus 1, y minus 2. So it is going to come as 4x plus 4 plus 5y minus 10, 2x plus 2 minus 3y plus 6. 4x plus 5y minus 6, 4x plus 5y minus 6, 2x minus 3y plus 8. After cancelling we are getting this one now. You can cancel now. You just have to open the bracket. So once you are getting the factor, after getting the factor, you just have to open the bracket and get. Check this one out. Fine. So now I am going to keep it till here. Okay. 8 alone. So only. Fine. So now I am going to keep it till here. Start practicing. Afternoon we are going to meet. Okay. Bye everyone.